Are you looking for the best pool lights? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pool lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Intex Floating LED Pool Light. The Intex Floating LED Pool Light is one of the best pool lights because it's inexpensive and easy to use. There is nothing to install, no batteries to replace, and no remotes to worry about losing. Once this floating solar pool light has been fully charged in the sun, you can expect to get 2 hours of illumination when using the white static light mode or 5 hours of light in the smooth color changing mode. It has LED lighting in a plastic shell, and it measures 6.6 inches in diameter. In an average size backyard pool, we recommend using 2 or 3 of these floating solar pool lights to add ambience. If you already have a built-in pool light, this budget-friendly pool light is also a great way to supplement the light or to create a party atmosphere with the color-changing mode. Compared to the cost of a permanent in-ground pool light plus installation costs, this is a worthwhile option. It's also a great option for an above-ground or inflatable pool. Product details. Modes. 2. Power source, solar, light source, LED, lumens. Not available. Lifespan, 5 hours of illumination per full charge. Features, auto shut-off. Dimensions, 6.6 by 4.3 by 6.6 inches. Number 2. Poolexa SS1050X 10-inch large LED multicolor in-ground pool light. If you're looking to make your in-ground pool more energy efficient, this best pool light can help reduce energy costs. This LED pool light is a great replacement light option as it claims to use 86% less energy than a 500-watt pool light, and it fits into a standard 10-inch pool light niche. It also comes in a 6-inch LED pool light option for smaller pool light niches. This is a corded light that must be installed by a skilled DIYer or lighting professional, but once the wiring is in place it's easy to secure the light because there is no ring or gasket needed. The entire light is self-contained and made with stainless steel. There are more than 20 different color modes available and they can be activated by a touch of a button on the control panel. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a remote control, but it's possible to control the light from an app on your mobile device via Bluetooth. If you have several lights to replace, you don't have to install a control panel for each light. One control panel can be used to manage a 10-inch light and 1 or 2 6-inch lights. The light and control panel come with a 2-year warranty. Product details. Modes. 20. Power source, corded electric, light source, LED, lumens, 5400. Lifespan, not listed. Features, integrated control panel, Bluetooth control. Dimensions, 10.23 by 10.23 by 1 inches. Number 3. Nitelighter LED Pool Light. The Nitelighter LED pool light is easy to install on a steel wall above-ground pool. All you have to do is lift the top rail and slide the light in place, and then tighten it with the thumb wheel on the back until it feels secure. We like that you don't have to drill through the wall of the pool to install this light. It comes with a 28-foot cord, and features a built-in 2-hour automatic shut-off. This pool light is an LED with 1350 lumens, so you can expect it to provide ambient lighting, but it won't be as bright as pool lights you may see in in-ground pools. To extend the life of the light, we recommend removing the light when you winterize the pool, or take it out of the water when the pool isn't being regularly used. Overall, we like that this pool light offers a budget-friendly way to illuminate an above-ground pool without having to drill through the sides of the pool or make any permanent alterations to the pool. Product details. Modes. 1. Power source, corded electric, light source, LED, lumens, 1350. Lifespan, not listed. Features, 2-hour auto shut-off. Dimensions, 11 by 7.5 by 10 inches. Number 4. YESIE Rechargeable Floating Pool Lights. The YESIE pool lights are designed to brighten your pool or bathtub with ease. With a rechargeable battery that provides 30% more brightness, you can enjoy vibrant colors in 3 brightness settings, perfect for creating the right ambience. The remote control allows you to operate the lights from up to 16 feet away, adding convenience to your experience. Additionally, These lights are made from durable materials, resistant to UV rays and extreme temperatures, ensuring they last through various conditions. Plus, the IP68 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about water damage while using them in your pool. What we like: bright and colorful lighting, remote control convenience, durable and waterproof, long battery life. Number 5. OurLeeme Submersible Pool Lights. The OurLeeme pool lights are designed to enhance your swimming experience with convenience and style. Featuring a rechargeable battery, you can say goodbye to constant battery changes, as it lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge. With 16 colors and 3 dynamic modes, you can easily set the mood for any occasion. The included RF remote control allows you to adjust settings from up to 100 feet away, making it simple to customize your lighting. Plus, the smart timer function ensures you won't have to worry about turning off the lights after a swim, as you can set it to turn off automatically after 2, 4, or 6 hours. What we like: rechargeable battery, 16 color options, long-range remote control, smart timer function.